In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new channel in Slack. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's jump right in. First, open your Slack workspace. You'll typically find this on your desktop or in your web browser. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar, where you'll see a variety of options. What you're looking for is the button that says plus add channel. Give that a click, and a pop-up menu will appear. Now, in this pop-up menu, you're going to see an option that says Create a Channel. Go ahead and click on that. At this point, you have a choice to make. Would you like to start with a blank canvas or prefer to use an existing pre-made template? If you are creating a channel for a specific project, a template might save you some time, but if your ideas are more unique, going in blank allows for complete customization. Once you've made your choice, it's time to name your channel. This step is quite important. Think about a clear and descriptive name that reflects the topic or purpose of your channel. This will help your team members find it easily and understand what it's all about. For instance, if you're working on a marketing project, something like Marketing 2023 or Product Launch could be effective choices. Next up, you'll want to set the privacy level for your new channel. Slack gives you two options here: public or private. If you choose public, anyone in your workspace can view and join the conversations without needing permission. This is great if you want to encourage collaboration and openness. On the other hand, if you select private, the channel will be hidden from others in the workspace. Members can only join if they receive a personal invitation from you or an existing member. This is ideal for more sensitive topics or smaller team discussions. Once you've decided on the name and privacy setting, you're almost there. Look for the Create button in the pop-up window and click it. Just like that, your new channel is launched. Now that you've created the channel, it's time to start adding team members. You can do this either during the creation process or later by selecting the channel, clicking on the Add People option, and entering their names. This way, your team can dive into discussions, share files, and collaborate seamlessly. And there you have it. You've just learned how to create a new channel in Slack. Remember to name your channel thoughtfully and set the right privacy level to ensure it serves its intended purpose. If you have any questions or need further clarity on any steps, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on using Slack and other productivity